In this video, I will show you the top 4 websites to watch anime for free legally in 2026. And also, I'll be showing you guys where to actually read manga as well in this video. So do make sure to stick to the end. Now, the first platform on my list is a very popular platform, and on this platform, you can actually access a whole lot of episodes of anime, just as you can see me accessing right now on this platform. Now, the best part about this platform is that it has dub available and it also have sub available. Now, the name of this platform is Crunchyroll. Now, on Crunchyroll, you can access a large library of anime, like from popular to newest to trending. So many stuff are available on this platform. If I go to the popular section right now, you're going to be seeing so many anime titles in here for you to enjoy on this platform. Now, this platform was once legally for free, which means that you can actually stream for free on this platform with ads, but recently they have actually updated their server. It's now a premium server, which means that you have to pay monthly. Just that it's very cheap and affordable. And yes, I'm going to be revealing free platforms in this video, but I just have to start with Crunchyroll because Crunchyroll actually has so many anime available. So if you actually want a premium option, you can go with Crunchyroll and enjoy a lot of anime. Now, moving on to a free platform, which is the next one on my list, and that is Bilibili, the Bilibili app. Now, this is actually a free platform to stream anime, and you can see they are having over 100 million download on the Google Play Store. Now, on this platform, you can access up to 2,000 licensed titles legally on the platform for free. Trendy anime, top anime, so many content available for you to enjoy on this platform legally for free. So you can give this platform a try. And once again, the name is the Bilibili app. Now, moving on, the third platform on my list is actually a platform where you'll be able to access a lot of, mangas, a lot of comics, a lot of mangas, and stuff related to that. So if you're interested in that, you are actually going to enjoy this platform. And the name of this platform is Webtoon. Now you can see there are so many available on this platform. So many manga, so many comics, so many manga available, and it's also available on the Google Play Store. I'm going to show you how many download pretty soon, but first let me take you to the category section. If I go to the category section, you're going to see that they have so many categories available, from drama to fantasy to comedy to action, like so much for you to read on this platform. So I don't want to waste your time, so let me take you to the Google Play Store real quick. You can see currently having over 100 million downloads. Read thousands of comics, mangas, and manga on their platform. So you have to give this platform a try, because if you're actually a true anime fan, then you definitely want to read mangas, manga, and stuff related to that. Now, moving on, the next platform on my list is called Tubi TV, and on Tubi TV, you can actually stream a combination, not just anime, but also movies, TV series, live TV channels, and then anime. So if you actually want to stream for free, you can actually come to Tubi TV. They also have apps available for Android, iOS, Chromecast, and so many other devices. So do give Tubi TV a try. Now, last on my list is Popcorn Flix. Popcorn Flix is also a combination. They have some latest trending and some other type of anime on their platform, and at the same time they also have movies, live TV channels, and series on the platform, which is a combination. So that means you are going to be getting each and every type of entertainment legally for free on these platforms. Now, in this video, I've actually given you guys, I think, about 5 platforms, and each and every one of these platforms that are listed, they are fully available on the Google Play Store. So give each and every one a try, and let me know which one you prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.